Hey Trombones, I heard you guys like really bad jokes, so I've got one for you today. Raise your hand if you like bad jokes. Okay, what do you get from a really pompous cow? I want you to think about that. Keep watching the video as we go through. I'm going to give you the punchline somewhere in this video. Remember that. Okay, let's look at our video homework this week that I sent out. Military march. Okay, you might have this part. If you don't, you can copy it. It'll be in the PDF for this week's homework. This is a trio, so there's three parts. There's either an A part, B part, or C part. We're going to start with our C part. When we play this part, we're going to go down. After you're done with this line, you're going to repeat it, come back. We're not going to do this again. This is our first ending. When we get here, we're going to jump to our C part, second ending, and we're going to play to the end. Every part's going to work the same. B part, play to the end, repeat, come back, go to there. Don't play the first ending, jump to the second ending, B line, and then the last B line. Okay? So let's look at the beginning. Let's look at our C part, which should be pretty easy for us. We're going to play between our B flat, first position, and our high F, first position. So let's play a few B flats to warm up. 1, 2, match this pitch. First position, F. Okay, let's try this C part from the beginning. Make sure you take the repeat, and then you're going to jump the second time to the second ending. 1, C part. 1, 2, 1. High. First position. 6. Six. And I add a little note at the end, the same note for fun. One note I want to play that we haven't done in a while possibly is our E flat. Third position. Let's get to third position. That's going to be, if this were my trombone bell and this were my slide, I'm going to have my third position a little bit further in. My fourth position is going to be out to my bell, actually just slightly past my bell. Okay? Third position is going to be before that. Let's try some E flats, third position. 1, 2, E flats. Okay, after having done that, let's go to our B part. Second line. The cool thing with these parts is when you've learned one, you can play it with me playing a different part. For instance, if you learn the C part, you could play it with me playing the B part or the A part. If you learn the B part, you can play that with me playing the C part or the A part. So you can mix it all up. So it's kind of neat how this works. So look at your second line of the B part. So we're on the second line, and then we're going to go to the second staff, the second line of the second B part. So we're going to be down here. Right there. Sorry. Right there. Okay. I want to play that note there. That's our E natural. So that's second position. We've got to play E naturals there for the B part. Let's play some E naturals. Second position. And then we go as high G. If you look at 11, the third measure, we've got a high G, which is fourth position. Okay? Let's give this a run here. B part. So we're starting on D, B flat, D. 1, 2, 3. natural. And there was a low note in there. What was our low note that we played? Was it A or A flat? Well, it was A because there's no A flat in our key signature. So we're going to play that low A, nice and relaxed in second position. Let's go to our A part. So on the A part, look at measure 11, the box 11 on the second staff, A part. What's that high note right there? That note sits right on top of the top line. Well, that's our high B flat. That's going to be first position. Let's play some high B flats. 1, 2, high B flats, and. And the note on the top line, which I'm also going to play in there, is A natural, bum, which is second position. So we go from B flat all the way in to about 3 inches out to A natural. Okay, so that's second position. Let's play some A naturals. 1, 2, A naturals, and. And of course, we're going to have the note right below that 2, which is our top space note, which is our G, fourth position. Okay? Great. Let's try this. Getting ready for our high B flats. What's our first note, trombones? Well, it's F, and then it's D. So it's going to go F, D, F, F, D, F, F, D, F, G, F, D, F, D, E flat, F. So we're going to be mostly in 1, 4, and then E flat is 3. 1. Here's the A part. 1, 2, 1. Watch out for the ties when there's 2 notes. Let's pretend these are my notes. 1 note, 2 note, and I've got a line over it or a line under it. Those 2 notes, that tie takes those 2 notes and turns it into 1 longer note. Okay? Oh, trombone. So we've got our joke. I'm making you wait still. Make sure you look at your old homework as well, your first video that we did. And I'll be adding some MP3 accompaniments to your homework, to your old homework, as well as this new video lesson on military march. Okay, so our bad joke, because trombone players love bad jokes. So I had to put one in. Let's see. What was our joke today? Oh, what do you get from pompous cows? Do you know? Spoiled milk. Thanks, trombones. Bye-bye.